The majority of the traffic stop from our perspective is for officer safety and safety of the driver and the vehicle that they're in to get them to a safe location. Initially, we have to obviously observe a violation. If there's heavy traffic, we have to determine how many lanes of travel there are, where is the safest place for us to get them so that we can safely conduct our business. And then once we have that in place and the vehicle stopped, now we have to turn to when can I get out of the vehicle? Are there vehicles passing? Are there pedestrians? We have to analyze all this information before we even step out of the car. So then now we're out of the car. Now we have to safely make our way to their car.
Doing the move over law, okay?
All while observing the occupants of the car, sometimes 3 to 4 people, plus the driver, while still trying to maintain our safety within the travel lane.
So your license, registration, and insurance?
And then once we make our initial contact, we conduct our initial contact. Now we have to repeat that process by returning to the vehicle, taking the time to safely re-enter the vehicle and get back to it, do our thing in the car, and then we have to again do the same process. Most people don't know that the move over law in Florida exists. And it exists solely for the safety of emergency personnel who are conducting their business out on the roadways. If any driver sees an emergency vehicle on the side of the road with its lights activated, whether the occupant is in or out of the car, they must move over 1 lane away from the emergency vehicle. If that is not possible and it's a 2-lane road, the law states they must drop 20 miles per hour under the speed limit. The penalty is 3 points on your driver's license and a $166 fine. Our main concern here today is safety and educating the public on the move over law so that the drivers can safely conduct themselves when the emergency personnel are doing their business on the side of the road.
Here's some information on the law, okay? And if you want to read that, and if you have any friends, just pass the information along to them, okay? Thanks for your call.